This is just your reminder that if you see something that is not working and you do not have responsibility for fixing it and you do not have permission for your knowledge to be shared, that you need to focus on those that do hear you, those that do see you, those that do pay you for your services. So this is a reminder to myself today as well, because I had to have some interaction with the council tax office, and the whole thing is just insanely ridiculous. And I came off the call and I just thought, if you could give me just 1 hour with your team, I think I could actually save you millions and millions of pounds. So I saw a thing the other day saying that our council tax departments are like majorly in debt, or like made some bad investments or something like that. I don't fully understand, but I can see so clearly where they could make some really simple changes. And this goes same for when I went to my doctors. Last time I went to my doctors, I was like, oh my gosh, I can just see like what it is that they need, and I could see that it would save them millions and millions of pounds. And it is incredibly frustrating. So I have a background in leadership coaching, and I dealt with a lot of areas that use systems thinking. And this absolutely transforms organisations and teams and saves them millions and millions of pounds. So does positive psychology. And I know full well I could have a real impact, and I would go and help my doctors for free. I would go and help the council tax department for free, because I'm just passionate about this stuff and I love talking about it. And I do free work. Like, that is part of what I do, is I do offer free work and free programs to people, because I know in future I'm going to start up a charity and I can't do that right now. So I do offer scholarship opportunities now and again and things like that, and I do have a small amount of capacity to actually do free work. But getting into the council tax office, or getting into, there's some nice horses going past, getting into the council tax office, or getting into, you know, the NHS and actually helping these people, it takes so much of my energy and so much of my time, and so many times being unheard and ignored, that it's just not worth my energy. So this is a reminder for me and you, that focus on those that do want your help, that do want your support, that hear you and are actually ready to change and are ready to jump full in to what you have to offer. Because when you focus on those people, and this is what has completely transformed my business, when you focus on those that see you, they hear you, they don't even have to get you or understand you, but they feel your energy, and they know that by being in your energy, they are going to shift and change and grow beyond ways unimaginable. That is your area of focus. So this is just a reminder. So I will continue to play the game with these matrix organisations I have to deal with, but I have to put that social injustice to one side and focus on creating impact where I can. So this is your reminder as well, in case you're falling into this trap too.